ible Airvida is the smallest air purifier in the world. By creating 2 million negative ions per cubic centimeter around the user's face every 0.6 seconds. Those negative ions can rapidly attach closing airborne particles, turning them into bigger and heavier chunks and thus falling to the ground. Through this mechanism, ible Airvida can reduce the PM2.5, pollen, allergen, and bacteria in which users breathe. Since ible Airvida is so small and light, many people are curious if ible Airvida is really equipped with such a powerful air purifying ability. Practice is the only criterion for testing the truth. We designed a simulation experiment for this issue. First, we prepare a transparent 1-to-1 dummy model, and we install a pump to simulate people's breathing. This pump's air inflow is 400 to 500 milliliters, which is the equivalent of an adult's tidal volume. Then we put 2 PM2.5 detectors, both inside and outside the dummy model. The inside one is put in the dummy model's nasal cavity. We will implement 2 experiments in a high air pollution environment. Is there any difference from wearing ible Airvida? Of course, the PM2.5 detector in the dummy model's nasal cavity will tell us the truth. First, we will begin the experiment without wearing ible Airvida. Initially, we can see that the values of those 2 PM2.5 detectors are very close. Then we start to generate exhaust gas. The inside value soon increased to 51 micrograms per cubic meter, while the outside value is 322 micrograms per cubic meter within 53 seconds. Then we proceed with another experiment, with wearing ible Airvida. Similarly, the values of both inside and outside PM2.5 detectors are very close in the beginning. Then we start to generate exhaust gas. 1 minute later, even when the outside value reaches 3,371 micrograms per cubic meter, the inside value is still only 9 micrograms per cubic meter. Through this experiment, we can find that wearing ible Airvida does impact the PM2.5 figure, even in an open and high air pollution environment. Ible Airvida still can efficiently reduce the PM2.5, pollen, and allergen in which you breathe, making every breath fresh like in a forest.